Looks, loads up, fires long for the end zone. The pass is going to be caught by Tennessee.
Tennessee wins!
Caught by Tennessee, Jawan Jennings.
Jawan's like one of my best friends now. When we got there, there was like some butting heads, not from a competition standpoint, but I was just trying to help him, mentor him at the QB position. And he just obviously wanted to compete, so I had to learn each other's personalities. But I mean, he took changing positions awesome. He was one of my favorite receivers to throw to. So